Welcome on our YouTube channel, or our. I usually say our YouTube channel because I'm recording the most of videos with our cockatiel Kaya, the cockatiel lady, 15 years old, but now we have holidays, summer, and as every summer she is with my family on our weekend house. So the next videos which I will record during holidays, during the summer, it will be without Kaya, so it's little to explain it to you. And what you will see, or we will see, because it's new here, arrived, I can say, just now, no, not just now. I have bought this Tesla stereo receiver on Saturday, but it was a nice story. On Saturday I was on our weekend house with Kaya and my wife, and I received a call from my supplier. I have that he has huge Tesla speaker boxes, 2 pairs, and this receiver, and also some other audio. And because he was driving with his car around our weekend house, he came there, and I have bought this stereo receiver with the 2 pairs of huge Tesla boxes, produced in 70s. And next short story, I let it in my car in front of my house, and yesterday evening were here one customer, and he have bought some speaker boxes here, so you can see now the background here in my listening room is other, because the speakers were backside, and I had to put here any other speaker boxes, and this receiver were originally delivered from Tesla with the huge speaker boxes, Tesla 1PF 06708. If I don't forget, I put here active link to my previous video with these speaker boxes. And why I don't have them here? Because the customer have bought these speaker boxes directly from my car, or not from my car, it was in car, but he would like to hear them, so we put them here on the table. And he bought also these speaker boxes, so I cannot test it with the original speaker boxes. They are really not bad. And these receivers were also originally mounted in the huge Tesla music centers. I have here one music center Tesla here, and here under the table, I think you cannot see it, and there were mounted these receivers, but without this cabinet. It was mounted directly in the music center, and to these music centers there were these huge Tesla speaker boxes. What's the type? For first view, if you don't know them exactly, you cannot identify it, because it can be the Tesla 813A or older one, or Tesla 814A. Output power, stereo output power 15 watts per channel, and really not bad stereo receivers in wooden cabinets. The only one, the main difference is with the presets, the buttons of radio stations, broadcasting presets. And here, if I put it so, I see here the sensors, no push buttons. So this is the little newer type 814A. The 813A was produced from the year 1975 up to 1976, and this 1977-1978. So it's about little less than 50 years old, if I count it correctly. 77, 87, 97, 2007, 2017, 2027. So we have 2026, so 49 years old stereo receiver. Let's see it. Up to now, nothing done with this stereo receiver. I had it in my car, and I hope that it will be in working condition. As the supplier, they always say, they always tell that it's in working condition, it's perfect, but it's not usual. but I see that this tuning plastic plexi artificial glass is totally transparent, and it's not usual, because if you let this type of receiver anywhere on the sunshine or by the window, so the UV will damage this transparent plastic, and then it's a yellow or milky, we can say, and it's unrepairable. I have these types here. Usually now I have about 6-7 pieces, but no one has such a transparent, nice transparent plastic. Oh, okay. Every man should have in his pocket knife. I have recorded many years ago one video, maybe it's here on my YouTube channel, maybe no, with question, which knife is the world's best? And I answer, yes, I have very good knives with very good steel, Damas steel from Sweden. It costs huge money, but it's not the best. The best one is the knife which you have in your pocket when you need it, and this I bought about 30-40 years ago. I bought for my kids. It cannot be 40 years ago, so 32 years ago, some military medicinal bags, and it was inside these bags. So I put one in my pocket, and I have it in my pocket all the time. Also when we go to the holidays to Turkey, I cannot let it in my pocket in the plane, but I put it in the luggage. Always with me. If you are interested, watch my videos from with video reviews from Turkey, because we love the ultra all-inclusive service. So if I don't forget, I will put here active link to my latest video from the last year. Yes, my channel is about audio, but we love also to the sea and the beach and the so sorry for such an interruption, but sorry for my emotions, but in such a nice optical condition, I don't have here any piece. Yes, I see that it should be the surface a little polished, but then it will be like new one. Incredible. I use this. This is produced here in Czech Republic, or in the past Czechoslovakia, at least 50-60 years. This is Diava. The price is about $1.5, and it works incredible. I have here a lot of videos with wooden boxes with scratches, and you can see how it works. Incredible. And you can use it also on the black parts of your car, bumpers if it is old car, bumpers, mirrors when it is black. It works incredible. Then the black plastic looks like new one, but here it's not necessary. Next important things, these buttons, there is aluminum outside and plastic, but thermoset, not thermoplast, thermoset bakelite, and it's very simple to broken it. If you touch it by bad way, the button, the plastic is broken and it's unrepairable. Let's see the tuning. Okay, it's FM tuning. AM works. Okay, it looks everything pretty nice, and these are the sensors. Push button, push, not push, touch sensors. Sorry. the push buttons. It has the previous model 813A. So let's take my professional cables, but at the end of these cables are the professional Dynacords 15-inch bass speakers with these professional horn tweeters. These are I bought it about 20 years ago from one closed recording studio. So not bad. Let's watch it from the back side. It was damaged, the power cable, so I think this is not original and it's replaced. I hope that it's not damaged too much here. So let's connect the right one, the Tesla 2-pin connectors. Okay, and if it will be in working condition, and if there will be some music from the broadcasting, radio broadcasting, I cannot let it play longer than 5-6 seconds regarding the copyright. Let's take some antenna. So this is a piece, it should be so long. It's some old Grundig. Let's connect it here. And let's try it. Here's a push button for the speakers, and I'm not sure which position is switched on. We'll see. So dear friends, this is the reality for the first time after many years. Connected, power cable connected. Let's switch on. Ha! Light is on. FM. So maybe it should be inside other. Bad position. So speakers connected, it's out, not pushed in.
Prezidentka Zuzana Čaputová, ze Slovenska Bára Vránová, Český rozhlas.
OK, left channel, right channel.
Plusu pro vás máme taky dopravní informace. Začneme na dálnici D1, konkrétně směrem z Prahy na Brno. Tam se zastavují hlavně kamiony v pravém provozu s jezdem na Domašov na 175. kilometru. Pomalu pak popojíždí až do omezení u sjezdu na Bratislavu na 196. kilometrech.
Jsou velice zva.
I cannot let it play longer. So I will connect signal from a CD player that I can let it play longer regarding the copyright. So I'm sorry for my emotion because in such a nice optical condition I didn't have it here maybe 10 years, and the transparent plastic, it's incredible nice. So let's take cable from CD player. Let's find some connector. This is damaged, but I don't see the okay one. Damaged but repaired with screwdriver. I had here the next one which was in okay condition, but this no. So let's try. Right channel, left channel, bass, treble. Let's bass track. I will take the camera and make some detailed footage. So, dear friends, what do you say to this stereo receiver? Would you like to have it in your living room? Will you put it there? I must say I love it. And as it is usual, it's for sale, and it will have my Intel number, because when I have more, or to all devices which I have here for sale, I put my Intel numbers, because this historically I had here about 50-70 pieces of this, maybe 100 pieces of this receiver. So in this case it will be my Intel number 179627 in incredible nice optical conditions. So, dear friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.